Good morning, kids. So today we will discuss exercise 3.2 of class 10th maths NCERT, and the chapter's name is pair of linear equations in two variables. So first question here: solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. So x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. So by substitution method, so these are the two equations. We will name the equations. In the second equation we have x is equal to 4 plus y. So we will substitute this value of x in equation 1. So substituting the value of x from equation 2 in equation 1. So x plus y is equal to 14. From equation 2 we have x is equal to 4 plus y. So 4 plus y is equal to 14. Now 4 plus 2y is equal to 14, and hence y is equal to 5. So here y is equal to 5 and x is 4 plus 5, hence x is 9. Now in the second equation, s minus t is equal to 3. So s divided by 3 plus t divided by 2 is equal to 6. So let's name the equations 1 and 2. So in the equation 1, s is equal to 3 plus t. Now putting this value in equation 2, 3 plus t upon 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. 6 plus 2t plus 3t is equal to 6. So 6 plus 5t is equal to 36. 5t is 30 and hence t ki value is 6. Now from in equation 1, s minus 6 is equal to 3. So s is equal to 9. Hence the value of s and t are 9 and 6. From s and t are 9 and 6 by the substitution method. Now third part. 3x minus y is equal to 3. 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. So here also we can use substitution method. Let's name the equations 1 and 2. Now from the equation 1 we have minus y is equal to 3 minus 3x. So y is equal to 3x minus 3. Now putting this value of y in equation 2, 9x minus 3, 3x minus 3 is equal to 9. So 9x minus 9x. So 9x minus 9x plus 9 is equal to 9. So here we will not get the value. 9 is equal to 9. So it is true for all the values of x and y. Hence we can see from these two equations, equation 1 and 2, that 3x minus y is equal to 3 and 9x minus 3y is equal to 9. So here the value of coefficient, ratios of coefficient a by b, 3 by 9 is 1 by 3, here 1 by 3 and 1 by 3. So the ratios of all three coefficients are same, and hence these two equations will have infinite value. These are two coincident lines. So these two equations have infinite values. Now in the fourth part, 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.3, and 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So we need to solve this by substitution method. So let's name the equations, equation 1 and equation 2. So twice of 0.2x plus 0.3y is equal to twice of 1.3. So 0.4x plus 0.6y is equal to 2.6. 0.4x plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So 0.4x is 2.6 minus 0.6y. So this value we will substitute in the second equation. 0.4x is 2.6 minus 0.6y plus 0.5y is equal to 2.3. So 2.6 minus 0.1 y is 2.3. So minus 0.y is equal to 2.3 minus 2.6, which is 0.3 minus 0.3. So y is equal to minus 3. So this is the value of y. Now value of x is, to find the value of x, so now y is equal to minus 3. So we will substitute the value in equation 1. So point in the equation 1 here, 0.2x. So we can remove these points, right? Multiply by 10 on both sides of the equation. So we will get 2x is equal to 3y. 2x plus 3y is equal to 1.3. And y is equal to minus 3. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 1.3 and y is equal to minus 3. So 2x minus 9y is equal to 1.3 minus. So 2x is equal to 10.3, x is equal to 10.3 divided by 2 is 5.15. So x is 5.15 while y is minus 3. These are the values. Now going to the fifth part. Here root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. Root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. So we need to find the value of x and y using these two equations. So we can see, we can name these equation 1 and 2. So x is equal to root 8y divided by root 3. Now putting this value in equation 1, root 2 into root 8 upon root 3y plus root 3y is equal to 0. So we can say that x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0 is one such solution. We can see, right? If y is equal to 0, then the equation will be 0. So there is one solution to this equation, that is xy is equal to 0. Now sixth part, 3x by 2 minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2, and x divided by 3 plus y divided by 2 is equal to 13 by 6. So we will name these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2. Now let's take the value of x. Since we have to use the substitution method, we will take the value of x from equation 2 because it is easier. So x by 3 is equal to 13 by 6 minus y by 2. We can make the denominator common. 6, 13 minus 3y, and here 2x is equal to 13 minus 3y. So x is equal to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. Minus 5y by 3 is equal to minus 2. We have put the value of x in the equation, in the first equation, and we will solve this to obtain y. So taking the denominator, making the denominator common, which here is 6, 3 2s are 6, but also that this 4, 2 2s are 4, so 4 3s are 12, so here denominator will be 12 instead. So 13 into 9, 27, 9 ones are 9, 10, 11, 117. So 117 minus 9y, so minus 29y is equal to minus 24. So 29y is equal to 117 plus 24. (117 plus 24). So y is 141 divided by 29. This is y, and if we substitute the value of x, we will get x. So let's put this value in equation, this equation, that x is equal to 13 minus 3y by 6. So 13 minus 3y divided by 6. So this is the value of x. Now moving to the next question, the second question. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. So here we need to find the value of m. So in these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2, we will use substitution method to find the value of x and y. So here and here, okay. So 2x is 4y minus 24. We will put this value in equation 1 for the value 2x. So 4y minus 24 plus 3y is equal to 11. 7y is equal to 11 plus 24. So y is 7 5s are 35. So here value of y is 5. Well, value of x is 24 minus 4 by 2. So x is minus 2. Now putting the values, y is equal to mx plus 3. So y is 5 is equal to m minus 2 plus 3. So 5 is minus 2m plus 3. So 5 minus 3 is 2 is equal to minus 2m. So m is actually minus 1. So here the value of m is minus 1. Now we will solve the third question. The first part. So third question is form the pair of linear equations. The third question is form the pair of linear equation for the following problem and find their solution by a substitution method. So here we need to find the pair of linear equations also. So first is the difference between two numbers is 26. So let's say a and b are those two numbers and the difference of these two numbers is 26. So a minus b is 26 and one number is 3 times the other number. So one number is 3 times the other number. So let's say a is equal to 3b. And we will solve these two equations using substitution method. So we will put the value of a from equation 2 to equation 1. So 3b minus b is equal to 26, 2b is equal to 26, b is equal to 13 and a is equal to 39. So value of a is 39 while the value of b is 13. Now the second part. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. So it's a two supplementary angles. So what are supplementary angles? A plus b is equal to 180 degree. The sum of those two angles is 180. So a plus b is 180. And the other thing they have mentioned that the larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. So a is equal to 18 plus b. Okay, now we will substitute the value of a in equation 1. So 18 plus 2b is equal to 180. 2b is 180 minus 18, which is 81. A is 18 plus 81. Hence it is 99. Or 109. So value of a and b. So these are the two angles, 81 and 109. Now the third part. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls. So let's say bats are X and balls are Y. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 balls, 6 bats for 3,800 rupees. So 7x plus 6y is equal to 3,800. Later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls. 3 bats and 5 balls for 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and each ball. We need to actually find the value of X and Y. So we we have to use substitution method. So how should we proceed? We can so here 7x plus 6y is the first equation and this is the second equation. I have named these two equations. Now taking the value of we can take value of any of these, x or y. So let's take the value of x instead. X is equal to 1750 minus 5y divided by 3. So putting this value of x in equation 1, so 1750 minus 5y divided by 3 plus 6y is 3800. So 1750 minus 35y plus 18y 3 multiply by 3, then so this is minus 17y 3803. So 17y is 71750 minus 3803 and we will divide this number by 17. So 1750 minus 17 7 14 4 3 something 3800 3 and here 17. This is the value of y that I get. Value of y is actually the balls, the number of balls. Here answer is 50. So because I have done one correction here, it is 17y is 7 into 1750. Okay, so I had written 7 and then if I continue the calculation, I will get here y is equal to 50, that is number of balls is equal to 50. Okay, next part, fourth part. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with a charge for distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid is 105. So 10 km के लिए 105 they have paid, and for a journey of 15 km they have paid 155. What are the fixed charges and the charge per kilometer? Okay, the fixed charge, let's say fixed charge is x and variable charge are y. So fixed charge, so 10y plus x is 105 and 15y plus x is 155. So we will have to solve these two equations to obtain the variable charge and fixed charge. How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? So for 25 km, how much distance has to be? 25 km? How much has one person has to pay? So if we have value of x and y, variable charge and fixed charge, then we can calculate how much one needs to pay for 25 km. So here we will find the value of x and y by substitution method. So let's say x is equal to 105 minus 10y. Now putting this value of x in the equation 2, so 15y plus 105 minus 10y is equal to 155. So 5y is 155 minus 105. So this is 50. So y is equal to 10. Y is equal to 10 and x is equal to 105 minus 10, 100. So x is 5. So now we have fixed charge and constant charge. So for 25 kilometers, it will be 25y plus x. Cost will be 25y की value is 10. So 250 plus x 5. So answer is 255. One needs to pay 255 rupees to travel 25 kilometers in the city. Now the fifth part. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. So let's say the fraction is a by b. So if we add both 2 in denominator and numerator, a by 2 plus b by 2 is equal to 9 by 11. If 3 is added to both the numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. So 5 by 6. If 3 is added. So find the fraction. So we need to find a divided by b. So here we will have to solve these two equations. 11a plus 22, 9b plus 18. A plus 18 is equal to 5b plus 15. So 6a minus 5b is equal to minus 3. And here 11a minus 9b is equal to minus 4. So here we have these two equations, equation 1 and 2. We will solve these two equations to find the value of a and b. So 6a is equal to 5b minus 3. Or 3 minus 5b is equal to 6a. So a is equal to 3 minus 5b upon 6. A is equal to 5b minus 3 divided by 6. Now putting this value 11 5b minus 3 by 6 minus 9 b is equal to minus 4. So 55b minus 33 minus 54b is equal to minus 24. So b is equal to 33 minus 24. So it is 9. A plus 2 is equal to 9 by 11 divided by is 9, 10, 11. So a is equal to 7. So the fraction is 7 by 9. Okay. Now the sixth part of this question, the last part. 5 years hence the age of Jacob. So let's say that now the age of Jacob is J. So 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. The son's age is S. So okay, as per the line, this is what it means. I formed this equation. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, the Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. So 5 years ago is 7 minus 5 is 7 times. What are their present ages? We need to find the value of J and S at present. So J plus 5 is 3S plus 15. J minus 3S is 10. Here J minus 5 is 7S and 5 is 35. So J minus 7S is 5 minus 35, which is equal to minus 30. So 7S minus J is 30. Now take the value of J from here, 10 plus 3S. So 7S minus 10 plus 3S. S minus 10 is equal to 30. So S is 30 plus 10, 40. S is 10. And value of J is 10 plus 30. So J is 40. So value of J and S, the value of Jacob and his son is 40 and 10 respectively. So I have solved this exercise 3.2. Like, share, subscribe this channel for more such solutions of books of different classes of NCERT. Now I am taking class 10 maths. Later I will take other subjects also. So okay, like, share and subscribe. Thank you.